doing? I'm good. So if you're seeing my channel for the first time, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to take you all to a place that's near to my apartment that's called Aqua Thota. It's a place for fish farming, and they also grow vegetables there like lettuce and leafy green vegetables like palak, etc. So let's go and see today and what they got. So now we are going to Aqua Thota. This road is Begurkoppa Road, which is very near to Electronic City in Bangalore. So we can see the board here. It's a narrow lane, we are going inside. Here we are at Aqua Thota. It's just a 5 minutes drive from my place. So here they do fish farming and cultivation of vegetables through aquaponics. And they also have country chicken here, and it's really interesting and nice to get chicken and fish from here. So let's go inside and see what is there. Neat. And tulsi here, right down. They have different cactus plants here. They're really nice. So this is tulsi here. It's a pretty big plant. It's really nice. And they have other plants along with. They have fresh tomato here. Here you can see some are ripened and some are unripened. And this is all organic farming. And they have other plants here. They also have fresh beans. You can see they're really fresh. And they also have lady's finger here. Fresh lady's finger. This is the first time I'm seeing a beans plant. So we have a brinjal plant here. You can see it's so fresh. Portulaca, na? Portulaca. Come closer. So here we have some portulaca, it seems. Even I am seeing this for the first time. It looks like this. So here they have fresh organic palak that they are growing here. It really looks fresh. And they also have coriander. Coriander leaves are also just sprouting and they look so good. Here they have lettuce that's freshly growing here. It's actually an indoor plant where they are growing lettuce from the fish plant through aquaponics. It's really a brilliant idea, I can say, and the lettuce is also very fresh and very healthy actually, because So here I have my fresh lettuce, which I can make some fresh sandwiches with this. So fresh. So this is the coriander growing plant. A small square type box they did, and they have put coriander. It is just coming up. And next to the coriander they have palak. Palak is also very good. Like all leaves have come up. Now we are going to see the fishes inside. So what you see here are big vessels in which bioflows, that water is going inside for the fish growth, it seems. So when the fish reaches to a particular growth, they are taken into separate fish tanks and then they are sold fresh here itself at Aquatota. Basically the fish farming done in a organic way. So here the water is circulated regularly and it is maintained with optimal temperature in order to facilitate the fish growth. So in that way the fish will be healthy. Here you can see the fishes. You can see black, white, different types of fishes. Like they are saying tilapia, ladyfish. Still they have kingfish. So many varieties. All these are freshwater fishes. So that's why they are able to cultivate they are able to grow the fishes in this manner. Iದೇನು fish? Tilapia. These are tilapia fishes. They have grown to a particular size and now they are transferred into a big vessel. So maybe how many months will they take, Bhaiya?
4 months.
4 months, huh? So these fishes will take 4 more months to grow. So then they are sold freshly here itself. These are pagda, they are Bengali fish. So there are so many fishes in this tub. They are very fastly moving, you can see. They are very active. The fishes are still in the growth phase, so we couldn't buy any fresh fish here. So today we just got some fresh lettuce. So I'll go home and make fresh sandwiches for my kids. So that's all for today's vlog. So see you all in my next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.